So this is the Arctic Air. I'm not quite sure of the system number, but first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this filter out. All right, and it comes out of there, and down there is where we put the water. We got to soak it with water, so we're going to go ahead and turn on that faucet and get it wet. Get the whole thing nice and wet, just like that. And once it's all super wet and looking good, we're going to put it in the freezer. Turn that off. Let's get some of the drips off it. My assistant's going to help. All right, here we go. We're going to the freezer. Thank you, assistant. She's going to open up the freezer, and we're just going to put it in there. Let's just put it right there. Just set it right there, and we just got to let it freeze. All right, let's just shut that. Okay, now we're going to come back here, and we've got to put some water in here, but we got to be careful because we got to pour it straight down. So we're just going to go ahead and fill this up with some cool water, just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to try to pour this straight down in there without missing a beat. There we go. This is really not the best system for putting water in here, I don't think. It runs right past the electrical stuff. But we'll just go ahead and pour right in. Bam, done. Okay, that's that. So now we're just going to shut that for now. Now to get it going and working, you got to plug in this USB-C. See, it's a USB-C. It doesn't matter which way you push it because USB-Cs are good both sides. And you got to get right inside there and smush it right in there like that. Well, there we go. Oh, there we go. I got it finally. Finally, it's in. And then we're going to take this, we're going to plug it in over here. Bam. So now this thing is all ready to go, but we still have to wait for our thing to freeze. But here's one of the options. You can change the direction by moving that up and down like that, right? And then back here is your power button. And because it's got water in there, it's going to blow cool air. You can see how that right there is the water that's evaporating and shooting out of there. This one doesn't seem to be working too good. And then you can get a plus on it. That makes it go faster. Now you got even more blow. It's pretty cool, I gotta say. You can turn the lights. Oh, here's the coolness. That's less cool. That's no cool. That's super cool. And then this is the light. And I think we got it like orange or red light. Let's turn this off so you can see it. Look at that. And we're gonna change it. And it goes to purple. See? It goes to different colors, so you can use different colors. And then it goes off. And then this is the swivel thing here. Now the swivel. Check it out. It's going from left to right. And with it, we haven't even got the freezing thing in there yet. And it's still blowing some pretty cool air. The question is, how long will it last? You know what I mean? So that's kind of nice. Check it out. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and turn it off for now. And then we're going to come back when we have our frozen filter to put in it and see how cooler it is. I mean, I can feel it all the way out to here. It's not that bad. All right, let's go ahead and turn it off for now. And we'll come back later and we'll put our frozen filter in it and see how it works. All right, so here we are in our Arctic Air. We've got to put our frozen piece in. So let's go ahead and get that out of the refrigerator. Should be nice and frozy now. Oh yeah, it's cold. I want to get the top. So look on it, you're going to see it tells you what side's supposed to go up. Right there, you see this side up? So now we just got to grab it like this. We're just going to set it right in there. Just like that. It's got a little ice on it. Let's turn it on. Let's put the boost on. Let's put the lights on. Damn. Turn this one off. Look at her. Looks good, huh? Lights. Lights. This is the lights here, right? So check it out. Damn, there it is. Makes me feel cooler already. Let's get it swishing back and forth. Actually, it's much cooler with the frozen filter in it. Let's get a close look. Here it comes. Oh yeah, that's chilly. It's not bad. This would be good for your office, like on your desk, blowing on you. I don't know about, it's not going to cool the whole room. But that's basically it. We've got it full power, extra boost, super cold, lights are on, and it's swiveling. Yeah. Back here is your USB-C plugged in. Over here, plugged into the wall, 110. Yeah, check it out. Try to get a good angle so you can see that mist that's coming out. All right, so this will work, but it's not the, I mean, you know, don't expect too much from it. I don't know how long it will last. Maybe an hour or two. This one here doesn't seem to be working very good. Oh, and anyway, to turn it off, you just press this. And it turns everything off. It's done. Stops swiveling, it does it. It stops everything. So you got to do it like 3 times. Turn it on. It goes right to super blast. Extra cool. If you want the lights, you got to hit that. If you want it to swivel, you got to hit that one. There's your controls. Power. Power on. Full blast, right? It goes all 3. Extra blast. Chili, you can go this way, but I would keep it right there on double chili. Lights, yeah, let's get them on. There they are. And let's swivel this bad boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. All right, again, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.